Hey there, car enthusiasts and diecast collectors. Welcome back to the channel, where today we're diving into something special. We've got our hands on the exclusive Poprace 001 Pandem Civic EG6 in metallic blue, an Enigma Exclusive Edition. Let's get right into the unboxing. First impressions, the blister packaging is sleek, designed to protect this beauty during transit. As we peel back the layers, we're greeted with that iconic Poprace logo and the words Enigma Exclusive Edition. You know you're in for something unique. Look at that stunning metallic blue finish. The detail on this 1:64 scale model is just breathtaking. This isn't just any Civic EG6, it's the Pandem version, complete with a distinctive body kit that fans of the Rocket Bunny style will absolutely adore. Notice the precision on the front bumper, those wide fenders, and the aggressive rear spoiler. Every curve and line on this car is a testament to Poprace's commitment to quality. The paint job, it's more than just blue. It's a metallic enigma that catches the light in all the right ways. Turning it over, we see the detailed chassis and those chrome rims. They add such a luxurious touch to this already impressive model. The wheels are not just static, they allow for some movement, giving you that real road feel. Now, here's a cool feature. The hood opens. Inside, you can see a miniaturized engine bay, which is a nice nod to those who appreciate the mechanical side of car culture. It's these small details that really elevate this model from good to exceptional. Unfortunately, in this Poprace unboxing, I found many defects. If you observe in more detail, you will find many shortcomings. On the right side view mirror, the installation is not neat. Then on the car window, as you can see, there is a gap at the bottom, so it is not tight. Then on the rear window of the car, under the spoiler, the installation is also uneven and there is a gap. Honestly, I am very disappointed with the Poprace product this time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unboxings and reviews. Until next time, keep those engines revving and your collections growing. Thanks for watching.